We are in our team, Ruben, Ollane, and Rose. I'm studying in Leioa Catherine School. I'm 20 years old. I live in Baracaldo. My hobbies is listening music and draw.
I am Ruben. I am student. I live in Baracaldo. I 22 years old. I like music, computers, and cook.
I'm Ollane, I'm a student at Leioa Catherine School. I'm 18 years old. I live in Baracaldo. And my hobbies is listening to music and drumming.
This we are going to show how to make with feet typical of Mexico. Each shirt is to take as much as 10 minutes preparing ingredients and 55 minutes to make them. It is not an expensive recipe and products are simple and cheap.
Ingredients: a red pepper, 2 green peppers, a half tomato, a half onion, a big apple, 1 pound of meat, a 1 cup of tomato sauce, spice, and red pancakes. Utensils: paring knife, holder, spoon, cutting board, plate, and frying pan.
Now to make the fajitas follow these steps. First was to chop all the vegetables. Then saute vegetables in an order of hardness. Red pepper, green pepper, onion, tomato, and apple. Meanwhile, saute the meat in a fry pan. Next, add the vegetables sauté and mix the ingredients. Then add tomato sauce and salt and a pepper to taste.
A pinch of salt, a pinch of parsley, a 1 chili pepper, and mashed spice.
Finally, heat the rice pancakes for 3 minutes and we put over filling.
We hope that you like and what you put in practice.
Bon appetit!